Hello and welcome to the 2020 Virtual Safety Fair. I'm Holly Pasquinelli with Fort Wayne Animal Care and Control. Today we're going to be focusing on preparing your pets for an emergency and also ways that you can keep your children safe around animals. Pets are a part of the family, so when you're preparing your family's emergency care kit, make sure you throw some items in there for your animals as well. Here are some things to include in that emergency kit. First, your pet's vaccination records. If you have to leave the state, many states require that you have a copy of your pet's medical history. This can also serve as proof of ownership. Your pet's microchip information. Before you find yourself in an emergency, make sure your pet's microchip information is up to date. Too often we find that many animals that come to the shelter have outdated information linked to their microchip and we're not able to locate their owners. An extra set of ID tags, any medications they may be on, enough food for 2 weeks, an extra leash and collar, extra food and water bowl, poop bags, a crate, and emergency contact information. 77% of dog bites across the country come from a family dog or a dog the family is familiar with. It's a pretty startling statistic. I know a lot of us think my dog would never bite, myself included, but there are some things that's important to know. They give us signs and signals, and dogs never bite out of the blue. Let's talk about basic dog body language. These are all subtle signs that your dog is uncomfortable and needs space. These are the signs your dog gives before the big obvious ones like growling, showing their teeth, or biting. First, cowering to the ground, licking their lips, excessive yawning, whale eyes, which is when you can see the whites of their eyes, a closed mouth as you approach, and they're just trying to avoid you. Here are some tips to keep your children safe. First, never let them climb or sit on your dog. Never leave them unsupervised. Never let them reach for a dog's toy or treat. Never let them be around a dog who is eating. Teach them appropriate interactions, gentle one-hand pets, never pulling their tail or ears, and never grabbing their face. Never let your child hug or kiss your dog. This is one where we often hear people say, well, my dog likes hugs, and we ask, what is your dog doing when you hug them? What's their body language? Our dogs tolerate a lot of the things we do, and hugging is often one of them. As the investigating agency for all the bites in our community, we've encountered many cases where a child was bitten in the face because they were trying to hug or kiss their dog. We have a lot more information about how to keep your children safe around pets and also more emergency preparedness information on our website at fwacc.org. Thanks for watching.